Good morning, friends. Today we will be discussing for the BSc SY student on the paper plant ecology. We have studied most of the aspect regarding the ecology, ecosystem, abiotic components which affects the life of the organism on the earth. In that, we have gone through the temperature, light, and various factors affecting the organisms or the plants or the life in the ecosystem. Today, we'll be speaking about the water and its chemical properties. Friends, we all know that the water is an essential aspect of each and every organism for the survival of the life. Without water, no organism can survive on this earth. Means the life has been exist from water itself. Life has originated from the water itself, that is H2O. Now, each and every plant or organism, or you may call life, need a specific amount of water for its survival. Most of the time, in the various habitat, ecological habitat, due to the excess amount of water or due to the scarcity of water or due to the contamination of water, more life are affected. We'll discuss one by one. Drought of water in a specific zone or a region. Now, friends, we have heard about the desert area. What is the specific character of the desert area? Desert area shows the low precipitation, that is low rainfall. Very less amount of rainfall is counted throughout the year in this region. Whereas for the adaptative in this region, for the purpose of adaptation, the plant have to struggle in the drought area. Specific adaptations have been recorded, have been seen in the plants. For examples, aloe vera, plant from the family Cactaceae, and many more. In this region, desert region, the plant have been adapted. They store their water in it and they utilize this water when it is in demand. Such plants are the succulent plants. These are the specific adaptive characters of this plant. Sunken-like stomata have been seen from the desert's plant. Friends, this was regarding the region where the low rainfall has been noted up till now. But When we talk about the specific amount of the water which is required for the life, most of the time we see the water logging on the ground. Water logging means the whole surface or the ground is covered with the water. In such a situation, plant do survive, but by developing the adaptive characters. We have seen regarding the mangroves plant, those develop the respiratory roots, particularly known as the nematophores. These nematophores are respiratory roots having the spores on it. With the help of these spores, they transfer or inhale the gases which is supplied to the roots and rest of the plant. But it has also been noted that in the acquired area of dam, in the water zone of the dam, most of the plants have been covered up to the stem, and in that case, due to the excess amount of water, leaf dying or branch dying, start wilting starts, and after few days or months, plant collapse, resulting in the dying of the plants. Most of the time, talking about the hydrophytic plant such as salvinia, nymphaea, and many more, these plants have also developed the adaptation in the aquatic ecosystem. But what we see most of the time, the industrial and the community society sewage, which is released in the water and which contaminates whole water. The contamination of the waters may lead to cause the death of the plant as well as the animals also. These chemical properties of the contaminated waters are dangerous or hazardous to the aquatic plants as well as to the aquatic animals. So this was the uses of water. Though we know that without water no life can survive, but by these various factors, contamination factors, drought factor, excess factors, do affect the plants, and the plants are not able to grow normally and to perform the metabolic activity. These are the factors which seems to be affect the plants. Now, what are the chemical properties? The chemical constituent of the water, H2O. pH, alkalinity, hardness of the water. Sometimes you see metal, zinc, copper, chromium, lead, arsenic, fluoride, chloride, and iron, manganese. Arsenic water, the water containing arsenic, mostly have been seen a causing chemical or agent of a cancer. So, friends, this was regarding water as an ecological factor and its properties. We have covered the aspects that are temperature, water, and in next video or lecture series, we'll be going to study edaphic factor, that is soil. Thank you.